Thank you for joining me for this episode on estate sales in the Caregiving and Grieving Support Series. I'm Brian Crump, owner of Grasons of Johns Creek and Grasons of Tucker. We serve clients across Metro Atlanta who need to clear out possessions from a house with an estate sale or a clean out. Now, if this episode caught your attention, you're probably ready to clean out a house, likely in preparation for selling it. I know you have a lot on your plate, and the idea of cleaning out a house may feel daunting to you, but we're here to help. We'd love to take this burden off your shoulders. And most people in your position have never held an estate sale before, so I'll answer some common questions I receive. So let's start where you are. You have a house full of possessions. What can be sold? And I like to say we can sell anything from vehicles and fine jewelry down to a half-used bottle of Windex. So there are a wide variety of items that can be sold. Some of the highlights that make for a good sale and attract a lot of buyers are things like jewelry, both fine jewelry, like gold and silver, and also costume jewelry. That's very popular and attracts customers. Tools, especially if you have a nice tool collection. Appliances, I sell a washer and dryer at every sale. Clothing, home decor, vehicles, and mid-century modern furniture is hot right now. It attracts a lot of buyers. Now, my best tip for helping you prepare for a sale is don't get rid of anything that you think won't sell before you invite me to come take a look. Give me a call first. Let me advise you on what will and won't sell. Don't donate, give away, or throw away anything because you think it won't sell. So how does it work? When you give me a call, what should you expect? In the initial call, first, I want to hear your story. I know you're going through, as someone who needs an estate sale, you're going through a major life transition. And I also want to hear about your goals. What will make this sale successful in your eyes? And I want to see if I can accomplish that for you. And then we'll talk a little bit about the items you have for sale. And then we'll schedule a time for me to come visit because it's important for me to take a look and really put my eyes on what you have for sale to see what kind of sale you might have. So I'll come take a look, and what I'm looking for as I look around is volume and variety of sale items, good quality and condition, and style and size, especially for furniture. People are largely downsizing now and looking for smaller furniture. But we can overcome those obstacles if you have larger furniture as well, especially location can play into that. So after we've done a walkthrough and I can see what you have for sale, I'll kind of give you an idea of what to expect. Will this be a large sale, a good sale? Is it going to be on the smaller side? Are there challenges we'll need to overcome? And we'll talk through the contract and how that works. And my goal is always to create a win-win contract with you. I want to help you accomplish your goals and want you to come out feeling like you won on the back end of the sale. And I do have multiple pricing structures because I'm willing to take on smaller and more challenging sales than a lot of other companies. I've had a number of clients who had already spoken with other companies and been turned down and told that they don't have a good sale. And I came in and looked around and I saw the challenges or the small size of the sale. But I think I'm not afraid of a challenge. I think challenges, most of them can be overcome. So I've served a number of clients who other companies would not serve. My philosophy, our business philosophy as a company is people first. My goal is to help you accomplish your goals. And if we can do that, then I aim to help you with your sale. I figure if we focus on the bottom line, looking only for those high revenue, easy sales, the easy money, we forget to serve people. But if we focus on serving people, bottom line would be fine. That's our approach to helping you with an estate sale. So if you have further questions, I'd be happy to talk with you and answer those questions and see how I might be able to serve you. My phone number is 678-249-9097. Again, that's 678-249-9097.
And my email address is bcrump, that's BCRUMP, at Grasons without a Y, GRASONS.com. I would love to hear from you, see how I can serve you, and I hope this video has been helpful to you.